it's already 5:30 p.m. in Varanasi, and as promised, I will take you on a tour on in my garden which I have in my little house, and it's a very little garden, so I think you will enjoy being there. Okay, so let's start. So I have with me the very beautiful aloe vera. We put it on our face, and by putting on it, we cure our pimples and all those things which we have in growing stage right now. I have this brother of cactus. It's kind of a brother of cactus, you can call it, because it is of the same type. Okay, same phylum. And this one is the periwinkle. It's growing pretty well. This one was a bit infected, but we still cured it by taking some preventive measures, and now it's growing pretty well. Next we have this little bonsai plant, this one. And now we have this money plant. We tried to just twirl it around the grill, but it doesn't. Hatiye bahut. This one is another periwinkle. It's the best periwinkle which we have because it grows pretty well. It is growing pretty well. We have another type of periwinkle. It's a purple one. This one. This is another little plant which we have. This plant blooms in this month, June and July. June, July and August respectively, because it's the rainy season, and it has very beautiful little flowers of purplish pink color. And now we have the curry plant. The curry plant is the best because it withstood all the weather conditions since the last 3 to 4 years. And next we have this little guy with us. I don't know much of the names, but I'll still try to give you a synopsis of whatever I have in my garden. We have 3 globe lilies. They bloom in the month of April and May. They bloom very beautifully. They have red flowers, big flowers. And this is the first one, the second one, this one, and the third one. We have a wild plant here. This is the wild plant which we have, and you can see the surrounding as well. It's very nice to see the surrounding of Varanasi. It's all gully, it's all having lanes. Okay, most of you might not have visited Varanasi, so do visit Varanasi. It's a very beautiful place, although it might be a bit crowded, but still I'm sure you'll enjoy when you come in Varanasi. And now I'll take you to the another veranda, which is right there. Now let's go to the another veranda. Now we have reached the another veranda. So we have this hibiscus plant with us. It's very beautiful when it blooms. We have the tulsi plant. This is the tulsi plant. Now we shall look at the another 2 plants, the other 2 plants which we have. This one is a wild plant. It had actually a plant, but unfortunately that plant died. So next is this plant. This is the shami plant. It has thorns on its whole body so as to protect itself. And I do have some plants inside my home, so let's have a look at them. This is the plant which I have. It's an indoor plant. We can keep it outside as well, but it grows the best when it's inside because it gets nominal amount of sunlight, and it grows pretty well. Here's the another plant which we have. This teapot has been used as a vase. So this was all which I have for now. When I'll add up some more plants in my garden, in, I'll surely show you all. So since I am a part of the Sunbeam group of institution, and I took this initiative to educate all of you about the plants which I have, and today is World Environment Day, and I wish you all a very happy World Environment Day. Let's join hands and save the environment. Thank you, and Jai Hind. Have a good day.